Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Java. Whenever you try to update Java, you got the error code 1603. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of two simple steps. The first step is to delete user variables. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select system. In here you just need to select advanced system settings. Select environment variables. If there is a Java option in the user variables section, then you just need to select it and select delete it guys. After doing this, let's move on to the second step. Close stuff here. The second step is to completely uninstall and reinstall Java guys. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program and search for Java. Right click on the Java and select uninstall. After uninstalling Java, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select that download Java. This will help you to download the latest Java version. Select the setup file and install it. Now the latest Java version installed without having any problem. After getting installed done, you just need to close stuff here. And now the latest Java version has been installed successfully. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.